Welcome to this comprehensive guide on creating your Binance account. If you've been looking to enter the world of cryptocurrency trading, you've come to the right place. Binance is one of the world's leading cryptocurrency exchanges, and today I'll walk you through the entire process of setting up and verifying your account. Getting started, registration process. Let's begin with the basics. The first step on your crypto journey is creating your Binance account. Head over to Binance.com in your web browser. On the homepage, you'll notice a prominent Register button. Go ahead and click on that. You'll be prompted to enter your email address. Type it in carefully since this will be your primary contact method with Binance. Once you've double-checked your email address, click the Next button to proceed. Binance takes security seriously, so they'll send you a verification email right away. Open your email inbox and look for a message from Binance. It should arrive within minutes. Inside the email, you'll find an activation code. Copy this code and return to the Binance registration page. Paste the code into the designated field to verify your email address. Now it's time to secure your account with a strong password. Create one that combines uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters for maximum security. Remember to store this password somewhere safe. I recommend using a secure password manager. Save money with a referral code. Before you finalize your registration, take advantage of potential savings by entering a referral ID. You can use the code displayed on screen now, which is also available in the description below. This isn't just a minor detail. Applying this referral code will give you a 10% discount on all your trading fees on Binance. That's significant savings, especially if you plan to trade regularly. With your email verified, password set, and referral code applied, click Done to complete the initial registration process. Congratulations! You've created your Binance account. However, to access all features and start trading, you'll need to complete the identity verification process. Identity verification, what you'll need. Before we begin the verification process, let me tell you what you'll need to have ready. 1. A government-issued ID document such as a passport, driver's license, or national ID card. 2. A proof of address document like a bank statement or utility bill. Must be recent, typically within the last 3 months. 3. Your smartphone, if using the recommended app method. 4. About 7 minutes of your time. Verification is a standard procedure in the cryptocurrency world, helping platforms comply with global regulations and protect users from fraud. Binance makes this process relatively painless compared to many other platforms. Beginning the verification process. To start your verification, select your country of residence from the drop-down menu and click Continue. Binance will present you with 2 verification options: using video identification through the Binance mobile app or continuing directly on your computer. Binance recommends using their mobile app for verification, stating it's both faster and easier than the web interface. I also recommend this option for the smoothest experience. Mobile app verification method. To use the mobile verification option, take your smartphone and scan the QR code displayed on your screen. This will direct you to download the Binance app from your device's app store. Once you've installed the app, open it and log in using the credentials you just created. After logging in, you'll see an option to Verify Identity. Tap on this. The app will ask you to select your country once again, so choose appropriately and tap Continue. The next step involves entering your personal details. Make sure to fill in your information exactly as it appears on your identification documents. Any discrepancies might cause delays in your verification process. Double-check your name spelling, date of birth, and address details before proceeding. Document verification steps. After entering your personal information, you'll need to verify these details. Click Continue to proceed to the document verification section. First, select the country that issued your ID document. Then choose which type of ID you want to use for verification: passport, driver's license, or national ID card. Select the option that matches the document you have ready. The app will guide you through taking clear photos of your ID document. Position your document within the frame and ensure there's good lighting so all text is clearly visible. Avoid glare and shadows that might obscure important information. The app will automatically capture the image when properly positioned. face verification via video call. Next comes the video verification step, which helps Binance confirm you're actually the person on the ID documents. Click Continue and then Start Call to begin this process. You'll be connected with a Binance verification agent via video. During this brief video call, you'll be asked to show your ID document again, so keep it handy. The agent may ask you to perform simple actions like turning your head or holding up your ID in specific ways. This helps prevent identity fraud and ensures you're a real person. The call typically takes just a couple of minutes. Phone verification and compliance questions. After completing the video verification, you'll need to verify your phone number. Enter your number including the country code and click to receive a verification code via SMS. When you receive the code, enter it to confirm your phone number. Binance will then ask several compliance questions related to your intended use of the platform. Answer these honestly. They're standard questions required by financial regulations. They may include questions about your source of funds, expected trading volume, and purpose for using Binance. Once you've answered all questions, click Continue to proceed. Address verification, final step. You're almost done. The final step in the verification process is confirming your address. Enter your full residential address carefully and click Continue. You'll then need to select what type of document you'll use to verify your address. Common options include utility bills, bank statements, or tax documents. Whatever document you choose must clearly show both your full name and complete address, and generally be less than 3 months old. Upload a clear image of your chosen document following the on-screen instructions. Make sure all 4 corners of the document are visible and the text is readable. Verification review and completion. Congratulations! You've now completed all the steps in the identity verification process. Binance will review your submitted information and documents, which typically takes between a few hours to a couple of days, depending on their current verification volume. Once your verification is approved, you'll receive a confirmation email from Binance, and your account will be fully activated with access to all platform features. At this point, you can deposit funds and begin trading cryptocurrencies. Wrapping up. That's it. You've successfully created and verified your Binance account. While the process may seem somewhat involved, it's designed to protect both you and the platform. Verification is a one-time process, and the benefits of having a secure, verified account far outweigh the initial setup time. Remember to always practice good security habits with your crypto accounts. Use two-factor authentication, keep your password secure, and be vigilant about phishing attempts. Thank you for following along with this guide. Happy trading, and I wish you success in your cryptocurrency journey.